Okay, all we're going to do now is we're just going to pop this line right in here. Let me cut it off just a little bit more. You always want to make sure you make a straight cut on this PEX. If you do not, it will leak, because when it seats up against that shark bite, if it's not even, it will leak. That one's in there. Alright, now what we got to do is tie, all we got to do is tie this piece of pipe into here and we're done. And I don't think this piece of pipe, yeah, it should be long enough. Alright, let's find our other 90. Make sure. We'll cut it off just a little bit more. I'd rather trim some off than not have enough pipe. And that piece was about 1.5 inches too short. All we gotta do is tie. Alright, we're done. The easiest way to be able to do this would have been to shut down the building and capture the water before it actually entered into the valve. But they don't have building valves, all they have is property valves. So we had to redo all of the plumbing, and if you can see, there's the cap right there. So all we did was turn that T into a 90 there.